Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you simple freehand exercises or workouts for beginners. Now let's have a look at its benefits. Strengthens core muscles, excess fat loss, boosts the immunity, overall body balance. So I would highly recommend you to watch the video till the end. Warm-ups. We start off with neck stretches. From left to right, up and down, side to side, rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise, side stretches. Stretch as much as possible. Front and back stretches. Waist rotation, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Wrist rotation, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Squats. Now the distance between your legs must be more than the shoulder distance. Slowly go down and up. Backbone straight. Keep your posture straight. Do it 30 reps into 3 sets. Breathing process in slow motion view. Breathe in, breathe out. Go down, breathe in, up, breathe out. Common mistakes. Do not push your knees forward. Knees should be straight, bent towards your back. Lateral side leg raises. Backbone should be straight. Lift your leg as much as possible. Your knee must be straight. 30 reps into 2 sets on each side. Breathing process in slow motion view. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Basic lunges. Slowly go down and up. Your posture should be straight and your backbone must be straight. 10 reps into 3 sets on each side. Breathing process in slow motion view. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Common mistakes. Number 1. Do not push your knee forward. Front knee should be straight. Number 2. Do not touch the rear knee on the floor. Keep the rear knee slightly above the floor. Lunges with front knee raise. Move up and down with your knee going up and keep your posture straight to the other side. 10 reps into 3 sets on each side. Breathing process in slow motion view. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Lunges with rear leg raise. Hands on your waist. Now push your rear leg up towards the back and down and up and down. Keep your backbone straight, your posture straight. Do it 10 reps into 3 sets on each side. Breathing process in slow motion view. Breathe in, breathe out. Slowly breathe in, down and up, breathe out. Straight arm plank basic. Now both hands straight. Keep your knee on the ground, look straight. Hold time duration is 45 seconds into 2 sets. Straight arm plank advanced. Keep your knee above the ground and straight. Hold time duration is 45 seconds into 2 sets. Forearm plank basic. Keep your forearms on the ground. Drop your knees, look straight. Hold time duration is 45 seconds into 2 sets. Forearm plank advanced. Now push your knees above the ground, look straight. Hold time duration is 45 seconds into 2 sets. Keep your posture straight. Common mistakes. Do not bend your neck and shoulders. Keep your neck and shoulders straight. Side plank basic. Now one knee straight, another knee bent, one hand up. Hold time duration is 45 seconds into 2 sets on each side. Side plank advanced. Now both legs should be straight, one hand up. Hold time duration is 45 seconds into 2 sets on each side. Common mistakes. Do not bend your neck and shoulders. Keep your neck and shoulders straight. Final exercise, which is the most important one. Sanitize your hands after exercise. You can also use any soap or hand wash. For any queries or questions regarding these exercises, feel free to comment below. Now, what kind of freehand exercises would you like to watch next? Do comment below. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for the latest updates of such videos. Thank you.